you guys seen the sea urchins? Be careful, because they're around here. Yeah. Hannah.
You'll see that. They've got a piece of sail outside.
That's not funny. A dead fish.
A dead fish.
This guy's voyeurism, right?
What? What's on
It's New Year's, and we're all gonna be on each other's backs.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We actually don't really like Dorian that much. Just kidding. Vlog, video, Dorian, vlog, Dorian, vlog, Dorian, vlog. Technology
video.
is crazy.
Georgina, come on. Okay, whatever. Stephanie, I'm sorry, you're out.
Don't want to.
Somebody's like, God.
Now before I fucking. This is why girls ruin everything.
1, 2, 3.
You're fine. It's not actually doesn't hurt at all.
Why? This hurts knees. Take it. God damn it. Woo!
Yeah. Let's go.
Oh God.
Swag.
Here's the crazy thing about CoPP that nobody ever really explains. The water does this very Godzilla-like thing where it just all of a sudden disappears for half the day. And it's beautiful. I mean, like, look at this. But around midday, the water goes from about hip level to knee level to foot level. And I can actually feel it like receding right now around me. But in a couple of hours, it'll be back and my sunburn will be that much worse.
It's only gonna get worse.
If you're not the obnoxious color of your watch by the end of a good beach weekend, did you even have a good beach weekend? Hey, Steph. But whoa, that's actually gorgeous.
Thank you very much. Pretty much done. So if I keep messing with it, then I'm gonna make the wrong line and then be upset with myself.
And it's only gonna get worse. 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 It's like a middle school locker room. Stephanie, narrate this situation right now.
Behind me,
Yeah.
attempting to cover a week's worth of not bathing with deodorant.
So much better already.
Probably showered the same amount as Tyler, but none of us smells as anything.
Maybe it's all the infection.
Tyler, if you've taken a shower, then I've showered less than you. I showered once on New Year's.
Maybe it's a matter of knowing that we didn't shower. I mean, I'm sure Tyler would smell much better if...
Did you shower at all? I showered once.
What did we learn from this weekend? Hey guys, what did we learn from this weekend?
That you can go a lot longer without showering than you believe you can.
Yeah.
See,
You don't have to shower if you don't want to. I learned that nothing that you do matters or will be remembered.
well,
I smell like
well, it's been a good trip. It's been a good year. It's going to be a better year. Hey guys, it's only going to get worse. That's all I have to say. Till next video. See you guys. Boop. Oh.